Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how to flash any Android phone. So first of all, you will need the following. First of all, you will need the drivers so that the computer will detect your phone to flash it. So first of all, you will download a Miracle driver installation right here. So after downloading this, extract it and then open it up. So after installing all the drivers, you have to download the firmware of your phone model, and then after downloading the firmware of your phone model, download the flash tool, IGI SP flash tool. So let us install the drivers. I'll give you a quick guide on how to install. After downloading this, you will install, click accept, then you click here to install the MTK drivers. You install each and every setup you see right here. These are all drivers to detect your phone to flash it. You have to install all these drivers. So after installing that, download SP flash tool to flash your phone. Use a flash tool as to say SP flash tool right here. After downloading it, extract it, and then after getting the SP flash tool, download the firmware of your phone. So right now I'm going to flash a Huawei Y360 and I downloaded the firmware already. So get your firmware ready. I'm going to use Huawei Y360. I downloaded the firmware already. I'm going to flash it and I'm going to guide you on how to flash any Android phone. So you will need this Android scatter right here. You will need this, the Android scatter, and I'm going to show you on how to import the Android scatter file so that you flash your phone. So after that, open up your SP flash tool. Open up your SP flash tool, then scroll down to flash tool right here. So after opening it up, we are going to flash the Huawei Y360. You go here to scatter loading file. After that, go where you extracted your firmware. So let me go and choose where I extracted the firmware from. Right here, phone software, firmware, Huawei Y360. Then firmware, you have to import this Android scatter so that it reads all this content right here, the systems, all this stuff. It will be read using this. So after that, click here, format and download, and click on download. So what you have to do, get your phone, hold the volume up button and then plug in the USB. The computer will detect the phone. So it is detected. So right now the phone is detected, and now it should be formatted so that it flashes the new firmware right now. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get great videos for technology, unlocking phones, flashing phones, internet tricks. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, don't forget that. Blatech256. So the phone is flashing the new firmware. You can call it the Stockholm firmware. Yeah, that's all. So right now we are flashing the phone. So I'm flashing the Huawei Y360, and this is a guide on how to flash your Android phone, any Android phone, MTK. Okay, so you have to wait so that the flash completes. Make sure you download the drivers and then you get the flash tool so that you can flash your phone and use it. Don't get locked out. Blatech256. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, for more tutorials on, and for more guides on how to do things, how to's, everything. Please like and subscribe. So everything is getting ready up. So after flashing, you have to get a success. So you just keep on holding so that the phone flashes. Please like and subscribe, don't forget. Boy, sava yange ya tambo. GB. We are So the phone is flashed. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Follow me up. Click on that bell and keep tuned for the coming up videos. I sign out. Blatech.